how you paint at like 11 o'clock at night with a bathroom with no fan. Yeah, but a lot of motivation. Alright guys, oh my god, it's 9:30 at night, and if I don't get this done, it ain't gonna get done. So this is what I'm doing. I'm painting it gray. It used to be ugly color. I'll show you right now. Here is what it used to be, yellow. Everything is yellow, and yellow is mellow. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm like cool tone. I want this color, okay? Not this color. You feel me? Angie, baby. Yes. I need you to, with the paintbrush, you have to paint the corners. So see that corner over there? The corner, go right inside of the corner.
Well, I'm going to be painting the wall with the paintbrush.
Oh, well, I don't need you to do that. See, this is what happens with kids. They want to just do what they want to do.
That's quicker.
But that's not what I need.
Can I sit on the toilet?
Sitting on the toilet. Go ahead.
Stand. Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa, I hate this top.
Yeah, I know.
I don't even fit on.
It's going to fall off, so be careful. And if you can do the top.
Yeah, can you put some more tape on this?
Tape? Paint?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Paint, please.
Hold on, give me a second. You're gonna have to get down and get up. That's what I had to do. Yeah.
I don't really need to get down. I just need to.
Okay, well, whatever. Okay, crouch down. Do what you gotta do, girl. I'm crouching down and getting up my full self. So, Kilo caught me painting, and he says, "Oh, you're inspired to paint, I see." Well, I've been wanting to do this for days, okay? So, no, I'm not really inspired to paint, but it needs to be done. So he decided to go to his friend's house. He tells me, well, we'll do it tomorrow. As I'm painting already. You're gonna stop me and tell me we'll do it tomorrow and I'm painting already? No. My brain don't work like that, okay? So I told him, go ahead. You go. Go to your friend's house. I'll be here. Bye. Love you. And I got my helpers. After I did almost the half of the whole bathroom.
She didn't tell you that she was painting.
I didn't tell nobody I was painting, but Laylo saw me painting. Daddy saw me painting.
And then I did.
Laylo will help me if I ask him to help me, but...
You didn't ask me to help you.
No, I didn't.
You took it. Paint away.
I'm sorry. Here. And then we gotta paint this thing. I'm gonna take the stuff off of that. I'm really, really liking the gray. I feel like the gray looks clean.
Yeah,
And
it's like whitish, but dark.
yeah, the gray looks clean. The yellow looks like somebody smoked 1,000,000 cigarettes in this whole entire house.
Why?
It's just not our paint. This paint has been here. Like, I thought moving in here, okay, when I came into this house, guys, I'm not happy. When I came into this house, the guy said, I have to do a couple more things and the house will be done. I gotta paint, I gotta do this, that, the other thing. We saw the stuff in the backyard. I figured, okay, Section 8's gonna come here. They're gonna say things need to be moved or whatever. And I did not think that Section 8 would allow like chipping paint or old paint or dirty ass railing. Sorry, Angie. But He did not repaint. He painted the
Kids' room.
No, he did not paint your room.
Yes, he did.
No, that paint was in there. He painted the kitchen and that was it. Like, their dirt is still here on these walls. I'm not having it. So yeah, when I want things done, I want them done. I'm not about to sit in this house and want to just clean the house when the house feels like it's not mine. So little by little, your girl is painting everything. Me. And Laylo and Angie. Kilo's working, you know, working hard. He's providing an income for the family. And
Ew!
I understand that he's tired when he comes home. Whatever, you know.
This is why you have this.
So I'm doing it myself.
This is why you have this here, right?
No. Take it off. That's just paint.
So don't keep it in there.
Well, don't get paint on it.
I can't.
Anyway, that's my rant. And now I'm done my complaining. Now I'm done and I'm just gonna get it done. But I'm aggravated. Because I've been doing it. Everything.
You could have asked me to help you paint.
Angie, baby. You can't get up and paint the ceiling. You can't reach.
We're not painting this one. It's really like what?
I did the top of it's the top I'm talking about. Over there. I can't reach the top.
Oh yeah, that way does.
And I'm not supposed to be really using my left arm.
Then use your right.
I am. No. But when your right arm gets tired, you want to use your left. I'm not supposed to, but I am. I'm trying to take it easy. By the way, guys, update. Here's how it's healing.
You show them?
Yeah.
Ew.
This is how it's healing. Whatever. That's what it is. I feel good. I feel fine. It'll probably be healing faster if I stop pushing myself so much, but if you're a motivated person and you want things done, you know what I'm going through. Especially because I just moved into this house.
What do you want?
You see this? That is sweat. I had paint all up in my hair. By the time I'm done with this, I'm gonna be a sweaty mess. That's why I got my bathing suit on.
Really? I have clothes that I don't want on. Jeez, mine's are. Oh,
I did get paint on my butt.
Oh yeah, I kind of see that.
What?
I kind of see it now.
No, on my underwear. I mean, on my bathing suit bottoms, I did.
Oh, it's on your butt.
Yeah, that's okay.
And butt.
That's alright. I don't care about that. Everybody knows Mama's a messy painter. I don't care about myself. I don't care about the floor because I could just wash up the floor. Yeah, maybe I'm making it harder for myself, but what I'm trying to do is paint the wall. So as long as I paint the wall, I'll deal with the rest later.
Okay, there you go. That's it. So now.
This arm's gonna be so strong.
Yeah, my right arm's gonna be so strong. Cause this kind of hurts you, like going back and forth with like Bob Ross.
Like Bob Ross. Looks better already.
Yes.
What's going on, YouTube?
Oh, you're dying, guys. You're dying. All right, I will be back with the finished bathroom after these messages.
Like this. So we're gonna jump in the pool. I'm really excited. Like a real vlog, you're just holding it up in the air like, I don't know why I like holding it down here.
Yeah, you used to hold it down there. How did you feel painting that?
Sweaty.
Right? We have a pool. Are you putting your bathing suit on or are you going in with that?
I'm going in with this.
Oh.
It's closed.
All right, guys.
It's really dark out here, guys.
Okay,
Bye.
it's not really that dark. Don't be a scaredy cat. We gotta put the... all right, guys. So look at how yellow. Look at how yellow. You see this? I hate this yellow house. I hate this yellow house. What is on me? Paint everything. Okay, so I want to show you the bathroom. Let's show you the bathroom. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Hold on. Now that I'm nice and cool and I'm not annoyed, I'm gonna show you. Here it is. Here she is. Here she is. The bathroom. Do you remember that ugly color? Yeah. Okay. So, yes, honey. Yes. Look, no paint on the floor. Can't even tell. Can't even tell. Here's all my splendor. So, yes, if you're wondering, this scar right here is Angie. And I have two scars down here that are Lalo and Tony. But anyway, that's besides the point. The point is the bathroom. Now I gotta get Lalo and put the stuff back in here. Oh damn, I see a spot. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye.
I'll show you the finish product.
But for now, we can't go in the shower.
Tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Bye. Until the next time, I will catch you on the flip side.
Bye-bye.
I'll just take one tomorrow.
No, you can take one. You can take one. Because it's not going to hit up there. And it's basically wet. I mean, dry.
I'll go shut 12. I'll shut 12.
Give me a kiss. Come here.
Oh.
My hair.
I know.
Brush your teeth.
I don't want to. I'm afraid of my cotton candy cuties.
What? You gotta go to bed. She can see. She can see, guys. She can see. I got paint in here. This is how you paint at like 11 o'clock at night with a bathroom with no fan. Yeah. but a lot of motivation.